Yahoo! Good evening. Today is Sunday. Time in Australia is 27 past 10 p.m. Date is 2nd of the January 2022. On the 31st of the December, Friday, I actually put a clip for the pound Canada regarding to buy the pound against Canada, and I noticed that only we had 4 views, so I didn't bother to make the second video, but this actually came true. Although the video was very short, less than 1 minute, still nobody interested, so I didn't make the second video. If you go to the Telegram group, on this one I announced that we are going to buy, we enter to the market, and this is our trading, this is our TP1, and as I always say in previous video, normally when we hit the TP1 we get out of the trade. Okay, and I put a video in the YouTube channel, and when I saw not many people are actually viewing, so I didn't make the second one. But as you can see, the prediction was correct and hit the TP1. So today I'm going to actually do follow up with this announcement that we did on the Monday 27/31. That was weekly forecast and analyzing the weekly market. I think I did for 16-17 pair. If you are really interested, you have to go and watch this video. It's 28 minutes. So if some people they don't have time to watch this one for less than 1 minute, so don't bother about this. It's going to be very long. But however, I'm going to follow up one by one what I have said on Monday 27th December, which was last week Monday. We forecast for 17 pair for 1 week, and today is Sunday, and today is the 2nd of the January. Please go and watch this one if you like, and then we will do it. I'm gonna go to the chart. You start with Australia CHF. Before I do this, I just wanna explain something. You heard, always you hear in my voice that I talk about buying zone, selling zone, blah blah blah. I want to explain to you this. When you see my chart, I have 2 green lines like this. As you can see, these 2 green lines, these are the main level for me, and if it's green I call it buying zone. If this color is red, I call it selling zone. If it's like this, red color around this area, then I call it selling zone. Okay, and the idea is this: when market goes through the green line, imagine this is our buying zone. I'm just explaining, so next time I would not explain again. When we're talking about buying zone, if market is above here, market need to come past these 2 green line. When it goes under, then we find in a past combination of the support and resistance with market with candlestick pattern and price action, we make another level, we find another level, and then we wait. When market hit that level, which normally I put them in a black color, which is going to be our support. But the idea is this, please understand this: market has to come up from the top of these 2 green line, come down, hit this level, around this level, maybe sometimes comes under here or right on that one, then we enter to buy to this one, this first green line, we call it TP1. I always put it like this with the numbers. This is different color, I just make it black, then you can see it. For example, this is just the example, okay? When we enter to the market to buy, this our TP1, we get out of the trade. We don't go for the TP2, this is our TP2, okay? In the reverse, I have to say this. If these two are red color, then I call it selling zone, and it's opposite. What I mean by opposite is this. We need to see market from bottom go up, and then I find market has to pass these two red line, and then I find another level, the black level of the resistance in a pass, and then we sell it. We sell the market to TP1. This is TP2, this is TP1. If market passed through here, and we missed out to sell, then we wait to get the level and then buy only to this one, not to this. So we have one opportunity to sell and one opportunity to buy. Okay. Now we go to the chart and I explain again one by one what happened in our forecast, and then see how many of them came true, how many did not came true. For Australia CHF, all the level was 30 minutes time frame. Okay, we had green line, this black line, this black arrow shows market has to come down. If you don't believe me, you go, this is on the 27th of December. Nothing was here, okay? On these days we forecast. You go to this video, you will see it. 1 week before what we said, it came true. Some of them, not all of them. And now we go to it. So as I have said to you before, the system is this. We need to see the market coming past this green line, hit our support, and goes to this TP1, which is first green line. If it goes above this second one, TP2, and hit resistance, and we can sell again. Okay, so that was Monday. So this is Tuesday, nothing happened. As you can see, on Friday market hit that level. 1 week in advance we put a level here. As you can see, market bounced to this level, passed the TP2, and went to this, exactly what I have said before, and come back to here, and even to pass again, and then again same thing happened. You can see. So this one has been done. The forecast was correct. Look, I mark it up for you just to see. Okay, that was for Australia CHF. We forecast on Monday. On Friday happened. All right. We go for Australia Canada. We find 27. On the 27th again we announce this is buying zone. That was Monday. We need to see the market coming down, hit our support. Market down, close, did not hit the support. Went up, hit our resistance, hit back to the things. But this one, although it's happened, but the idea is this has to come and hit first here, go up, touch this level, come down. Buying once, selling second time. Okay. As you can see, again on Friday, market hit our support and went to the TP1, went to TP2. If market rise up to here, then we could actually sell it, but did not fall back. So the prediction was correct. Let me change the color to green for you. guys. So for Australia, Canada, this happened too. So the prediction was right. 1 week in advance, we said what's going to happen. We go for Euro Australia. Euro Australia on the 27th, Monday, still in buying zone. This 2 green line. We need to see market come down past this 2 green line, hit our support, which is here. We had one support here, one support too. This is plan A, this is plan B. What do I mean by plan A, plan B? If market passed this strong support and then goes down, still we can wait for this area to buy it to TP1. TP1 is our first line, the green line, okay? So market hit and goes to TP1, past TP2, the second line, goes to the area of the resistance, and then we could sell it. As you can see, I did sell it. I entered to the market here and got out with a profit. That was for Euro Australia. As you can see, all is in 30 minutes time frame. Then we go for Euro Canada. Euro Canada on the 27th, again in buying zone. We were waiting market to come down to this level. Market came close but did not touch. But please pay attention. Market went up, hit the resistance and back, hit our level. Okay, but this not valid. Our idea is this: when we have buying zone, market from the top has to come down, hit our support and goes up. Let's see, at this stage market did not respect and went through, but twice went up to the resistance, come back. As you can see, once, twice. Okay, so in terminology that really this one did not work, although on the resistance did work, but to me it's fail. Okay, so we have one fail so far. We go to Euro Japan. On the 27th we say market is on the resistance. This is red. Okay, when it hit this level, has to come down to hit. As you can see, this is our resistance level. Market came up, hit our resistance, TP1, taking profit 1. Second time, as you can see, hit our resistance, hit again. Okay, this is for Euro Japan. What we said, it came true. Okay, we go for Pound Australia. On the 27th, we were waiting market coming through this green line to hit this level to buy, but nothing happened, never come back to this, so still this is valid. We go for Pound CHF. Still we are in the buying zone. This is our green line, is the buying zone. As you can see, I said market direction has to come down. Market come down, but did not actually come to the area of the support, and still is playing around. This is still valid for next week. Pound Japan, same thing, never come back, never passed through our green zone, so this is still valid. Pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand, same thing, did not pass through this green line, so it still is valid. Australia, New Zealand, same thing, still we are waiting. These are still valid for the next week. Okay, Euro Pound. Euro Pound, as you can see, market came through here. We were waiting for going up. It's not going up yet. If market comes to this area of the resistance, then we can sell it. This is still valid. Okay, as you can see, I put the direction. You might say to me, why this is green zone? But yes, the green zone already passed through it. We are waiting market to go up to this area to sell. Okay, New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD was on the resistance in this selling zone. This red line, we need to see market to go up past this two red line, which is gone up, hit our resistance, and this is our TP1. The first red is the TP1, as you can see. You might think, so what is the pip? I'll show you how many pip is that. From here to here, if you have one contract, you get $200, something like that, okay? I'll make them small just to show you on the video. This gap is about 20 pip, more than 21 pip. So we go to USD and yuan, Chinese money. Again, we need to see market going through. As you can see on the 27th we predict, but as I showed you before, market came past this green line, hit our support and went up. Now we are waiting to go to this resistance and then comes back to this level. We can sell it in this area, okay? Look what happened on Thursday. Market hit the resistance and hit back. How much was it? Show you how much was that. From here to here is about 30 pip, 316 point. If you depends of the contract you put, but the prediction was exactly on the spot, right? So that was for Chinese money. So we go for USD Singapore. USD Singapore, as you can see, on Monday we say the direction he has to pass our green line, came down, hit our support, which is our support in advance. We say this is our support, and market will go up to this level, okay? As you can see, on Thursday this happened. Market support, and then you go up. Of course you have to have a stop loss, but you have to compare. How much was it? From here to here is about 20 pip, 23 pip, something like that. If market goes past these two green line, hit this level, then we can sell it. Still this is valid, okay? It's not fail yet. New Zealand CHF. New Zealand CHF is on the selling zone. We need to see market go up past these two red line, hit the resistance, then we can sell it to here. So how many pip we are expecting to get out of this? 456 point, which is about 45 pip. Still is valid, did not go up yet. Euro New Zealand. On Monday we say it has to come back past this green line, hit our support, which is we find in past, come close it, did not touch it as yet, and did not touch yet. This is not valid for selling. We need to see market to come to touch here, and then we buy it to here. If it goes to around this area, we sell it, okay? This is valid. This is Dutch coin. Dutch coin is a crypto. On the 27th, Monday, we say this is the resistance. We need to see market in this area, hit the level and hit our target, which is TP1. Pass through it, as you can see. So this one actually hit the level that we were expecting. So for the Bitcoin, we didn't have any announcement on the 27th, 27, 26, 27, no, we didn't have. For Ethereum, on the 27, we didn't have the level 2. These are the level I find it just recently. So we are in the market now, we are selling that. We are hoping that market would go down. We already entered the market for this, and we are hoping the market will come and hit this level. So these are the forecasts we did for last week, and out of that 17 we had 1 or 2 mistakes, I think. and the rest, some of them did not go through yet, but most of them actually get through. If you don't believe me, go and watch that video I already put on YouTube channel 5 days ago, and then compare with this one, then you will see how accurate we are. So in the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Please look after yourself and your family, as I always say, and then if I find any level, I will announce it on our Telegram group first. This is our Telegram group, and then you will see it. Already announced for the Ethereum that we are going to sell Ethereum, and this one, this prediction came true too 2 days ago, but I did not make the second video because there was not many viewers, so I didn't bother to do that again. So in the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Yahoo! Done. Thank you.